Hello everybody, it's your boy Director Chill. Oh, I'm not ready yet. There we go. Oh, wait, one more thing. And this is Slappin TV. I hope you guys are having an awesome Monday. I'm here to let you know we'll be starting our Miami Gameday an hour before the game, streaming live right here on YouTube, Slappin TV. So if there's any topics that you want to discuss about the Miami Hurricanes or the ACC or Miami versus Boston College or quarterback Mark Rigg's situation, jot them down in the comment section below. We'll discuss them. We have an hour to do the show. So you guys enjoy your week. It's your boy Director Chill, Slappin TV. I holla.